Let's take a look at this multiple choice question from farhatlectures.com. A sole proprietor using cash method receive a Form 1099-C for $12,000 related to an unpaid office rent that was previously incurred but never paid. The rent would have been deductible if paid. What is the proper tax treatment? So we have a sole proprietor, a business person, that a vendor gave them a forgiveness of $12,000 because they could not pay the bill. They're cash method taxpayer. How would they treat, how would this 1099 affect the sole proprietary? Would they include the $12,000 in gross income? Would they include the $12,000 only if the taxpayer is solvent? Do not include the $12,000 in income, include and claim $12,000 deduction. What would we have to do in that situation? Do we have to include an income? Because we learned the cancellation of that, generally speaking, is taxable. And the answer is they're a cash taxpayer, so we have to be very careful. So A, I would say out because they're cash basis taxpayer. Why? Because cash basis taxpayer, they never enjoyed the deduction of that expense. Why? Because they never paid it. Because it's their cash basis and it was unpaid. So they never recorded the $12,000 as an expense. Therefore, they would not include the $12,000 in income because they never took it as an expense. Now, if this was an accrual taxpayer and it says they accrued the expense, then the $12,000 is included. So you have to be very careful. We have a cash basis method, and clearly in the problem it says it was unpaid office rent. It means it was never recorded. Therefore, the cash payer does not include it in income. What should you do now? Whether you are a CPA exam candidate, enrolled agent, tax student, the best investment you can make that no one can take away from you is invest in yourself. Go to Farhat Lectures, look at additional resources, AI resources, additional lectures, MCQs, simulation, exercises. Don't shortchange yourself, and God bless.
Want to see more CPA exam multiple choice questions solved step by step? At farhatlectures.com, you will get hundreds of video solved MCQs step by step, including previously released AI CPA questions, previously released AI CPA simulation, in-depth lectures and resources to prepare for the CPA exam, AI tools that's going to help you study smarter, not harder, CPA exam podcast lessons where you can learn on the go. And also you will get the personal guidance of support of Farhat and his team. If you are serious about passing the CPA exam, this is your next step. Visit the website farhatlectures.com, start your free trial, and I hope to see you on the website.